Have you ever stopped to consider how you perceive the world around you? What shapes your reality? Is it the logical analysis of facts or the intuitive grasp of emotions and patterns? The answer lies within the intricate workings of your brain, specifically the two hemispheres, left and right. These two sides, though distinct, work together in harmony to create a complete picture of our world. These hemispheres, though seemingly separate, engage in a constant dance, shaping our understanding of the physical and spiritual realms. This dance is a beautiful interplay of logic and creativity, structure and fluidity. The left hemisphere, often associated with logic and analytical thinking, excels in the realm of language, mathematics and reasoning. It is the part of our brain that helps us solve problems, make decisions and understand complex concepts. It thrives on structure and order, breaking down complex information into digestible parts. This hemisphere is like a meticulous architect, designing and organizing the world in a way that makes sense. This hemisphere is our internal scientist, meticulously analyzing the world around us. It seeks to understand the how and why of everything we encounter. On the other hand, the right hemisphere is the seat of creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence. It is the part of our brain that allows us to dream, imagine, and feel deeply. It perceives the world holistically, recognizing patterns and making connections that elude the linear thinking of the left brain. This hemisphere is like an artist, seeing the world in vibrant colors and intricate patterns. This hemisphere is our inner artist, seeing beyond the surface to the deeper meaning within. It helps us appreciate beauty, understand emotions, and connect with others on a profound level. While these hemispheres have their specializations, they are not isolated entities. They are in constant communication, sharing information and insights to create a balanced perspective. They communicate and collaborate constantly, creating a symphony of perception that shapes our experiences. This collaboration is what allows us to navigate the complexities of life with both logic and intuition. Recognizing the unique strengths of each hemisphere and learning to integrate them is key to unlocking our full potential. By embracing both sides of our brain, we can achieve a more holistic understanding of ourselves and the world around us. The right hemisphere, with its emphasis on intuition and emotion, holds a special significance in our spiritual journey. It is often seen as the seat of our deeper, more profound experiences, where the boundaries of the self dissolve into the vastness of the universe. It is the gateway to our inner wisdom, connecting us to something far greater than ourselves. This connection is not just a fleeting moment, but a continuous thread that weaves through the fabric of our lives, guiding us with a gentle yet persistent hand. This hemisphere whispers truths that cannot be deciphered through logic alone, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of our purpose and place in the universe. These whispers are like echoes from the depths of our soul, resonating with the core of our being. Imagine the right hemisphere as a vast ocean of consciousness, an endless expanse where thoughts and feelings flow freely, unbound by the constraints of rationality. It is a realm of dreams, symbols, and archetypes where the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds becomes thin. In this mystical space, we encounter the archetypal images that speak to the universal human experience, transcending time and culture. It is through this hemisphere that we tap into our intuition, that inner knowing that transcends the limitations of the rational mind. This intuition is like a compass pointing us towards our true north, even when the path ahead seems unclear. Spiritual practices like meditation and mindfulness help us quiet the chatter of the left brain, allowing the subtle whispers of the right hemisphere to emerge. These practices create a sacred space within us, where the noise of everyday life fades away, and the voice of our inner wisdom can be heard. As we cultivate stillness and silence within, we open ourselves to a world of infinite possibilities where the divine can touch our lives in profound ways. This stillness is not just an absence of sound, but a presence of peace, a deep, abiding calm that permeates our entire being. This is not to say that the left brain plays no role in our spiritual exploration. On the contrary, it provides the structure and clarity needed to interpret and integrate our spiritual experiences. Its capacity for critical thinking and discernment helps us navigate the complexities of spiritual teachings and avoid falling prey to dogma. It acts as a filter, sifting through the vast array of information and experiences, helping us discern what is true and meaningful. However, it is the right hemisphere that serves as the bridge to the transcendent, allowing us to experience the divine directly. This direct experience is a profound encounter with the sacred, a moment of pure connection that transcends words and concepts, touching the very essence of our being. While the right hemisphere connects us to the spiritual and the intuitive, it is the harmonious interaction between both hemispheres that truly enriches our human experience. Imagine the left and right hemispheres as two dancers, each with their unique strengths moving together in a graceful duet. The left hemisphere provides the rhythm and structure, while the right brings the melody and emotion. Together they create a symphony that is greater than the sum of its parts. In our everyday lives, this harmony manifests in countless ways. The left brain's analytical abilities help us solve problems and make decisions, while the right brain's creativity and empathy allow us to connect deeply with others and appreciate the beauty around us. When we engage in activities that require both logic and creativity, such as writing a poem, designing a project, or even having a meaningful conversation, we are experiencing the power of this balance. Consider the practice of mindfulness, where we use the left brain to focus our attention and the right brain to fully experience the present moment. This balance allows us to live more fully, to be more aware of our thoughts and feelings, and to respond to life with greater wisdom and compassion. It is in this state of balance that we find true peace and contentment. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the mind, it becomes clear that both hemispheres are essential. They are not in opposition, but are complementary forces that, when integrated, lead to a richer, more fulfilling life. Embracing the strengths of both hemispheres allows us to navigate the complexities of the modern world while staying connected to our deepest truths. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, share and subscribe.